One of the biggest challenges after an injury isn't just physical, it's mental. The fear of moving again or re-injuring yourself can hold you back from full recovery, but overcoming that fear is essential for regaining confidence, strength, and freedom of movement. Fear of movement, also called kinesiophobia, is incredibly common. After pain or trauma, your brain remembers what happened and creates a protective response. It's like your body's alarm system. It wants to keep you safe by avoiding whatever caused pain before. The problem is, avoiding movement for too long can actually make things worse. When we stop moving, muscles weaken, joints stiffen, and coordination fades. The body becomes more fragile, not less. That's why gentle, controlled movement is a key part of recovery. It teaches your brain that it's safe again. The first step to overcoming fear of movement is awareness. Acknowledge that the fear is real and understandable. You're not being weak or irrational. Your body and mind are just trying to protect you. But protection can turn into limitation if it goes unchecked. Start with small, safe movements in a controlled environment. Focus on slow, pain-free motions that help rebuild trust between your brain and body. This could mean simple range of motion exercises, stretching, or light resistance training under supervision. Each small success helps rewire your brain's response, replacing fear with confidence. Breathing is another powerful tool. When we're anxious, our muscles tense up and our breathing becomes shallow. Deep, slow breaths signal safety to the nervous system and help the body relax during movement. Visualization can help too. Imagine yourself moving smoothly and confidently before you actually do it. This primes your nervous system, reducing anxiety and improving performance when you take action. Support also matters. Working with a physiotherapist, trainer, or supportive community can guide you through the process safely. They'll help you identify what's safe, what to avoid, and how to progress at the right pace. Remember, pain doesn't always mean harm. Mild discomfort during rehab is normal. It's part of your body adapting. Sharp or worsening pain, though, is a sign to pause and reassess. Learning to distinguish between the two is key to rebuilding trust in your body. Be patient. Confidence doesn't return overnight. Some days will feel easier than others, and that's okay. What matters is consistency, showing up, even in small ways, and celebrating progress. Overcoming the fear of movement isn't just about physical recovery, it's about emotional healing too. It's the process of teaching yourself that you're not fragile. You're adaptable, strong, and capable of healing. With time, movement becomes your ally again. Each step, stretch, or lift is proof that your body is not broken. It's rebuilding. And the more you move, the more you'll remember what your body has always known. It's built to recover, and it's safe to move forward.